With barely 4 months left for the poll, Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee President Vincent Pala said the party will contest in all the 60 seats in the state. He also said that they are in the process of giving forms to the aspiring candidates, as the process will be over in the next 2 months. Meanwhile, MPCC Working President Deborah C. Marak said the Congress in Meghalaya is planning to contest from all the 24 seats in the Garo Hills region. Congress, which emerged as the single largest party in 2018 assembly polls, had a setback by the demise of 3 of its sitting legislators and subsequently losing the seat to the ruling NPP, and later 12 out of the 17 MLAs defected from the party and joined the All India Trinamool Congress. Admitting that there is always a setback for the party, she however recalled that the Congress has always managed to revive itself, since the voters and party supporters continue to repose the faith in the grand old party.
In politics, there's no big leaders, there's no small leaders. Whoever is small, when he wins the election, he becomes big. Who was big, when they lose the election, he becomes small. In politics, it's like that. So we have seen that so many MLA has left off. Now young boys has come and young aspirants has come. I feel that now very soon they'll become big also.
Of course, when leaders run away from the party, always there is a setback, telling you the truth. But Congress as a whole, as a party, always we work hard. And Congress always in the grassroots level. Congress voters always there. Now who run away? Only the leaders. Voters remain. Now we don't know how many voters will follow them. How many voters will be with Congress. After election only, everything will be clear.